the GTI, Chuck stepping on the dirt. Fell on the soles, so the import tax don't hurt. Trying to learn the game, so I'm creeping when I crawl. She's saying stay, I don't really wanna listen to her. I see the people she's pimped by, and I don't really want to be part of that life, and so I keep my distance, manual transmission, my own time. Keep them guessing, I keep on changing my own. Peanut butter sandwich with some oomies, damn that really go. I'm just listening to 40 water, telling me when to go. And so I went, now I'm gone, ain't no coming back. Until F6, right 3, maximum attack. She tried to hit my phone again, ain't no dialing back. Like I said before, I just listen from the back. Soak up the game, burn one up, then it's to the lab. Implement what I learned to get out of the trap.
You're trying to get me in the trap, but it ain't gonna work. No, it ain't. He's trying to burn my soul, but I know my worth, oh baby. It ain't working with me, no. You better find someone else to fool. It ain't working with me, no. No more, no more, no more.
I stretch myself thin sometimes, I don't really notice. Gotta take a step back, become the observer. So much to learn, so much to branch out. If I get too tall for my roots, I'ma fall down. So I communicate around me like mycelia. We're all connected, we're all one, we're all bacteria. Trying to learn from the past ones, the greats, the ones that paved the way, the ones that's here to stay. And now they're drinking like the champs that they are. Fly on the wall, I guess I'm a fly god like Griselda. Of course, she said, that's why I want you to stay. So I said, damn, really gotta watch myself and my ways. Hop back in the GTI, change the I for the R. Add the 3 for the Godzilla, of course. Back in Japan with the pedal to the floor, I said, I'm learning everything I need at its core.